Welcome to Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Today I'm going to introduce you to Dubai's man-made water canal. It's the city's newest attraction. The total length of the canal is 3.2 kilometers. The long waterway which winds its way to the Arabian Gulf from the creek in Old Dubai through Business Bay. The canal is to be flanked by several lifestyle and leisure developments including hotels, restaurants and retail options. Here you can see a mechanical waterfall where the canal meets Sheikh Zayed Road bridge. This motion operated water wonder pumps through the bridge in a coast flow visible from the promenade and can be switched off when the sensor detects a boat nearby. In addition to this, there are 5 pedestrian bridges also available, 3 across the canal, allowing visitors to cross at the key points and taking stunning photos and observe the passage of water vessels below. There are 5 pedestrian bridges also available, 3 across the canal, allowing visitors to walk through the bridges and enjoy the views of the man-made water canal.